Hello, my name is Jennifer Juliana Parraquero. I'm taking the course English Phonetics. So today I will be doing the task number 5, pronunciation practice. So let's start with the first point, reading. Read the following test. Try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind rhythm, intonation, and stress. Teachers protest. The protest lasts 1 week. The teachers want smaller classes and better money. They say that there must be more staff in schools. Schools say that there is not money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money in different things. Second point, minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. These sounds may confuse English learners. Then, pronounce them having in mind this variation of the sounds. So, cat, bat, white, wise, right, road, kite, night, take, steak, cut, cut, pin, bean, till, peel, teach, peach, day, pay, dig, pick, deal, peel, duck, buck, date, bait, tall, call, tool, cool, take, cape, tote, coat, town, gown, tie, gal, tap, gap, tool, cool, tack, gag, table, gable, tin, fin, tail, file, tongue, fun, tick, bit. Third point, intonation and stress. Correct the following sentences having in mind express segmental features. Statement with 3 stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with 5 stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions, following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Task questions. Falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Comments falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences, falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerator, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Finally, responses. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, and he did. Thank you so much.